Guys, there's something I want you all to pay attention to. Now, today is Monday, the beginning of the week, on the 13th of April. Throughout our last month, we have been experiencing a bearish movement on Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market. But there's something I want you all to pay attention to, which is the Bitcoin chart, and I'm also giving you guys a 2 case scenario at this point. Now, from here to here, towards this resistance trend line on the daily time frame, we see that we have been up 11% when other people were bearish. And I'll be talking about the bullish news on Bitcoin. I've always been bullish, despite we have been selling for a while, but I'm always been bullish. I know for a long run, before this 2026, the ending of the 2026, we are going to see a massive pump on the market. Right now, we are at this level of resistance right now, and there's actually a 2 case scenario I'm actually looking out for. Is either we see a sell-off before a breakout, or we actually see a breakout before a pullback, then a continuation towards the upside. And why am I saying so? Because if I zoom out to the weekly level, if you look at the weekly level, you see that we are just right around this level of resistance, and we kind of created a double bottom on the weekly level. Then looking at the stochastic RSI on the weekly level, you see that we are not even close to the overbought region here, and there is still a much higher way for price to go before maybe we see another pullback. So I'm kind of leaning towards the upside, because price might see a rapid move toward the upside, then maybe before we could see a weekly pullback, then another continuation. I keep telling you guys that price will pump. Price will definitely pump. The market will pump. So kudos to all those people that are saying, those influencers that are saying Bitcoin will go to 55k, Bitcoin will go to 30k. See guys, the market will pump. We haven't even had altcoin season yet, so how do you think that we are going to go into another bear market? Before there will be another bear market, altcoins must pump. And this has been the cycle throughout time, since the inception of Bitcoin, since the creation of majority of altcoins. So this has been the cycle. I don't think this time will be different. I know there is a little bit of delay, but I don't think this time would be different. So going back to the daily time frame, you see that there is an actual bullish momentum candlestick over here, and it seems as if we are wanting to break this resistance trend. But the thing is, we actually need a massive candlestick close, or a bullish close, right above this previous day candlestick at 73k. Then we could target this level right here between 77 and $79,000. What I'm expecting for Bitcoin to actually do is to see a break of this level towards the 78k, then a bit of a pullback for buyers that has actually bought around 66, because there have been buyers that have bought around 66, and they might take a little bit of profit around 78. Those will give us a retracement of price. Maybe price will pull back to this level around 72 for a retest before an actual break towards the upside. So that is what I'm actually expecting for Bitcoin right now. And if I also zoom down to the 1 hour time frame, you could see that this is why I'm actually leaning towards the upside. As you can see that this is actually a massive candlestick on the 1 hour, and for us to actually flip bullish, we price need to break above 73k before tomorrow or the next. Then we'll target these highs around 78k. So that's what I'm actually doing. If not, if we see a break below this level right here, if we see a break below 70k, that means price will definitely come down. So it seems as if we are just within a range between 73 and $70,000. So we just need a clear breakout on either direction before we actually see the direction of price. So if you like this sort of content, do make sure to hit that like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.